To add a new section, click Add Section here on the left of the editor. This will open a window with multiple section types. Some of these sections have previews that start playing when you hover the cursor over them, and all of them have a short description that explains what they are. Let's choose Text over Media, which is basically similar to the title section. I want the text to be on the right and the image on the left, so let's open the section options by clicking on the gear icon, and let's change the layout to half-width media and make sure that media left is activated for wide screens and media top for tall screens. Let's add a new color for the background. Click on Custom Color, set the text color to white, and for the background color, click Add Color and choose the color you want. I'll enter the hex code 38A498 and then click Done. That new color is added under Story Colors, and I can use it later on if I want. Next, set the overlay opacity to 0% and set the background position to scrolls. Now, highlight the text and let's type in Peewee and maybe change the font to Roboto's Lab. Press Enter, and I'm gonna paste some text here describing Peewee and change the font to Roboto. Now set the alignment for both the heading and the paragraph to the left. Great, let's add a video instead of an image. Click on Edit Background Media and then switch to video. Note that the recommended video dimensions are 1920 by 1080 pixels with a maximum size of 100 megabytes. I've already created this video here and I used the same hex code for the background color. I also created a vertical version of that video for mobile. So I'll simply drag the first one and drop it here, then drag the second one, drop it there, and then click Save Changes. Done. In the next video, we're going to create Lily's profile.